Salam and good day to everyone. I am Dr. Siti Rusnda Yaziz from Center for Mathematical Sciences, UMP. Today, I want to share with you the third chapter in Econometrics, that is multiple linear regression for econometrics model. There are 4 subtopics in this chapter as listed on this slide. In the economic model, for multiple linear regression, in general, the objective is the same as simple linear model. The difference between them is, in multiple linear regression, the number of independent variable x here is more than 1. With the general economic model, for multiple linear regression is shown by this equation, where E represents for the average behavior, Y is dependence variable, x2 up to xk are independence or explanatory variable. Beta 1 is y-intercept. Beta 2, beta 3 up to beta k are the coefficients corresponding to the explanatory variables x2, x3 up to xk. Note that x1 here is equals to 1. A single parameter called it beta k measures the effect of a change in the variable xk upon the expected value of y, where all other variables are held constant. In many cases, beta 1 here in this model actually has no clear economic interpretation. This economic model then will employ data of x and y in studying the relationship between them. Let's look at example 3.1. Let's say we want to study the relationship between sales revenue for a fast food chain with outlets in several cities. Some of particular interest to management are how sales revenue changes as the level of advertising expenditure changes. Does an increase in advertising expenditure lead to an increase in sales? Or another one, if management interested in pricing strategy, will reducing prices leads to an increase or decrease in sales revenue? Okay, and this statement actually is the economic information that essential for effective management. For this example, the economic theory is the average sales revenue is linearly related to price of products and advertising expenditure, where the economic model that we can construct here as given by this equation, where E is the expected value of sales revenue. Beta 1 is the y-intercept. Beta 2 is the coefficient for the average price. And beta 3 in the model is the coefficient for the advertising expenditure. Note that y here is the monthly sales revenue. X2 is the average price for all products, and X3 is the advertising expenditure. The concept for econometric model for multiple linear regression is the same as for simple linear model, where the econometric model is the combination of economic model, okay, this is the economic model, and random error component, okay, as given by this model. Okay, it means that the general econometric model is y equals to beta 1 plus beta 2x2 plus beta 3x3 plus up to beta kxk plus e, where beta 1 is the y-intercept, beta 2, beta 3 up to beta k are the coefficient corresponding to the explanatory variable or independence variable, and E is the random error component. Note that the random error represents all factors affecting Y other than X1, other than X2, X3 up to Xk. This is the independence variable. In economic model, we want to include all the important and relevant variables in the model. So the error term is a storage bin for unobservable and unimportant factors affecting Y. In order to make the econometric model complete, there are some assumptions on the model must be satisfied, as listed on this slide from A1 to A6 as shown here. That's all for topic 3.1. See you in the next topic. Thank you.